What it do, baby? It's your boy KyleWavy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys some wheels that I picked up for my CB7. I picked them up off of Facebook Marketplace. Dude is super chill. He's my new wheel plug, and we're just gonna clean them up, make them look brand new. So let's get right into it. And here's the wheels. Wheel and tire, clean and shine essential kit. 3 items, let's go. Chemical guys. These are called Enkei G-Zeros, and they're straight from the 90s. They don't make them anymore. Chrome for the CB7. So we're just gonna clean these up with this kit right here, and we got a little brush. We're gonna get all the dust and grime and dirt off of them. As you can see here, they're a little dirty. So we're just gonna try to make them look new. I actually cleaned this one up a little bit one day, but anyway, we're gonna get them all looking brand new. I'm gonna take them to the backyard though, because that's where the hose is and the neighbors are cleaning their car. So I think it'd just be more chill vibe back there. I'll see you when we get back there. We'll get to cleaning these. All right, I got the wheels in the backyard. I'm gonna rinse them off before we start washing them, because this little turd decided to take a leak on my wheel. As soon as I brought it out here, he literally pissed on my wheel. When I came back, there was piss all over it. Gosh, I can't trust you. His name's Gravy, by the way. So I'm just gonna rinse these off and then probably scrub one at a time over there on just that chair setup I got. So let's rinse these off real quick. Put it on jet mode. Oh my gosh. WPOV. You wanna get all this off. See what we're working with here. Dude, my socks are soaked. All right, that should be good. Got them all rinsed up, nice and wet, just how I like it. Drippy. I don't like that part though. Turn the water off. Turn the water off. Maybe I should get like a bucket and some soap. First, let's see if these wheels even fit on that chair over there. All right, let me see if these be fitting. That's perfect. That literally fits so perfect. Let's check it out. Look, 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 look. Bro, car wheel washing station. Now I just got to get the kit and also set up the tripod right here, and then you guys can watch me get it done. Get it done. All right, let's open this up, see what we're working with here. Nice, got a cleaning cloth and our supplies. We got Diablo wheel and tire cleaner and tire shine. We don't need no tire shine right now. We need this and this. Open this up. W kit, bro. Oh, it's a glove. It's a whole glove. That's sick. I don't wear gloves though. All right, we like Jesus, but we're gonna use the Diablo. All right, let's get over here to the first wheel, get this set up. All right, I got all my supplies. Oh, it's pink. If it ain't pink, it stink. Oh yeah, very nice. We'll let that sit for a second. I got a bucket of water here if I need it. We got the hand spongy, and we got this right here. I think we should use the scrub brush, honestly. All right, let's just get started, bro. Let's do spokes first. Now let's hit it with this. Dang, that's hitting. Looks good. Should I do the tire real quick? Probably. That looks so good. Let me grab the hose. Now we'll just rinse it off real quick. Enkei, these are hitting. Oh yeah, definitely works. It's pissing, bro. Very nice. 3 more to do. I'll probably just do little cuts in between of each wheel and then show you guys when I have them fully cleaned up. All right, wheel number 2. Back to the hand sack. Give her a little scrubbing. Give her a little loving. Scrubbing equals loving. Let's give it a rinse down. Get all that dirt off of there. All right. Now we dry her up real quick. I'm gonna move her over there so she can dry out while we get the other ones washed up. Here's the one from earlier, she looked good. Here's the one I just did. Just want to make sure I get these water spots off of here. 2 wheels done, 2 to go. We're halfway done, so figured I'd take a break. Got me a Red Bull. We still got these 2 wheels left, and my dog is starting to get impatient. So let me hurry up and get these done. Number 3. Let's dry her up. This one's got a little bit of scuffs on the hubcap. Oh my gosh, look, I can see myself. Holy crap, never mind, I don't even care. I don't even care about the scuffs. Let's go. Let's go, bro. These wheels are from the 90s, bro. And they look good. Enkei wheels from the 90s. Made in Japan, bro. Looking good, looking good. Now we just got this last one. Dang, it ain't looking so bad now with it just over here by itself. Let's get it over there and get to washing. I can't wait to put my coilovers on and then see what these look like on the CB7. Let's get this last one done. Let that sit for a minute. Wheel number 3. Oh wait, this is wheel number 4. Oh, let's go, we're almost done. Looking damn good. I'm gonna let my puppy out, but he better behave. No playing in the water and you'll be good. Okay? Sacrifice. There we go. That was good. Oh shit. Might want to turn the water off. She's looking dry. These ones are dry. Let me get them all back out front because the sun is shining out there, and let's see how good they're looking. We'll be right back. All right, That's how they're looking. Dang, dude, they are hitting. Oh my goodness. They look so good, you guys. If I was to rate them for used wheels from the 90s, early 2000s, right? I will rate these, for the condition they're in, a solid 8.7. Dang, bro. These are so nice. A couple of them have some dings and scratches, but you know what? The chrome is hitting so hard, nobody's gonna notice. Nor are they gonna care. I'm gonna throw the homie's Instagram down in the description, who I bought these from. I met him from Facebook Marketplace, but then I checked out his Instagram and he's got super fire wheels. So you guys are gonna have to check him out. Enkei G-Zeros, bro, and they're looking fabulous. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like, comment down below what kind of content you want to see from me. And you guys also make sure to subscribe. This is the CB7, so you guys can imagine what the wheels are going to look like on it. I would put the wheels on right now, but then it would be monster truck, and I just want to wait until I get the coilovers on. So stay tuned to when I put in the coilovers and to see what the wheels look like on the CB7. Also got some tire shine, but I ain't gonna put it on right now. I'm just gonna wait till I put the wheels on the car. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a good day, and peace out. I'll see you on the next one.